which is documents, accounts, and workflow, Django can't read templates because as long as this apps there is true, we cannot access outside. Our intention to make templates global. So according to best practices, we can either set this as false and have a directory set inside here, but for simplicity's sake, we just move for now our templates to workflow. Then we're gonna create this table, of directory, we're gonna name it as workflow. If the app needs to scale, we'll consider this later on, but for now this will do the job. We need to also modify our base, our inbox. Okay, try running. Okay, log out. Logout is still not defined because we're not yet in the out part. We just try to load our template inbox, so maybe we're just gonna comment this, but since Django has a built-in auth, log in, log out, we're gonna add to our config rs.p1 our accounts. So this will be triggered in accounts. Gonna include our auth. This will settle the logout issue. So what we did to resolve this, let's create partials. I'm gonna name this document. Table.html. This would be a reusable component wherein this handles showing of tables. Documents. So right now we're going to fix this error, partials document table, because since we are inside workflow and workflow has a templates workflow directory, then partials, we need to enter here the right path. So workflow slash partials slash documents table will do the trick. Let's try once again, and our initial UI has been loaded. Let's go. I created dummy data so that when we are able to fetch all of our documents, we have multiple documents that are existing. So as you can see here, I activated the shell and pasted existing pre-written test dummy datas. So I created 10 documents here, and I created routing histories to change the existing departments of some documents. As you can see here in our documents, we have now multi documents that are existing. When we try to load this into our inbox, we have now more data to process and to play with. Also, our routing history has many objects inside. That's all for now.